How to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow this step. For that, open up your Microsoft Edge browser first, and from the given interface, you need to go ahead and look out for the three dot in the top right corner. Click on it. After that, from the given menu, select top settings, scroll down, click on settings, and then open it up. Now from settings, what you can do is from your left hand side of your screen, look out for this option cookies and site permissions and open it up. And from cookies and site permissions, head over to this all permissions section under the site permissions and open it up. Now from here, you need to look out for pop-ups and redirects. So this one right here, open it up, and if you have this option turned on, which is blocked, it will basically block the download. So all you gotta do is simply look out for this one right here and turn it off by clicking on it, and that should fix it. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.